Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about nested if statement in C programming. The syntax for this will be like if keyword followed by the condition, and within the if block there will be another if with condition 2. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named nested_if.c. Next, I am including the header file stdio.h to use printf and scanf, and I am creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, I am declaring a character variable c and integer variable age. Next, I am adding a printf statement to display are you citizen of this country, and with the option yes and no. Following it, I am adding a scanf statement to read a character y for yes and n for no. Following it, I am adding another printf statement to display enter your age. Next, I am adding another scanf to read the input age. Next, I am adding a if condition to check the character value of c is y. Within this if block, I am adding a printf statement to display eligible as citizen. For this if, I am adding the else block. Within this else block, I am adding a printf statement to display not eligible to vote. And then within the if condition, I am adding another if condition to check the value of age is greater than or equal to 18. This is called the nested if. Within this nested if, I am adding a printf statement to display you are eligible to vote. Now I am adding the else block for the inner if. Within this else block, I am adding a printf statement to display but age is not eligible to vote. At the very end of the main function, I am adding the return 0. Let's save the program, and to compile it, in the VS Code terminal window, type gcc space nestedif.c and then press enter. To run this program, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe and press enter. In the output, the first printf statement asking are you citizen of this country, I am going to give y for yes. The next printf asking for the age, I am just giving 25. The output displays eligible as citizen, you are eligible to vote. Let's rerun the program. Now I am giving y for yes, I am giving age as 17. Now the output is eligible as a citizen but age not eligible to vote. Let's rerun the program again. Now I am giving n for no, 34 as age. The output is not eligible to vote. Let me explain the output one by one. In the first scenario, for the citizenship we have given yes, and for age we have given 25. As per our given condition, the outer if condition is true, so the eligible as citizen is displayed, and also the inner if condition is also true, so you are eligible to vote is also displayed. In the second scenario, we have given y for yes and 17 as age. Here the outer condition is true, so eligible as citizen is displayed, but the inner condition is false, so its else statement but age not eligible to vote is displayed. Finally, in the third scenario, we have given n for no, so the outer condition itself is false, so its else part not eligible to vote is displayed. This is the one example how you can use nested if condition in your real-time C program. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel.